Perry, can you read the next question? I don't want to say that word.
Why? I thought it was so funny that it lined up with
Can you say this question?
It's so funny. Please,
Fine.
it's so funny for you to read it.
Fine. So the next question is from Kazu Tensei. And it says, do it. And it should have a comma. Do it, comma, fart.
Oh my god.
In parentheses, at Senbei.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with what I wrote for this, and
I just want to say really quickly that I cannot believe you're even entertaining this at all. It's so funny. Okay, continue. Now, can you do your best fart sound?
Okay, so I have a question, because again, I can't possibly watch.
I'm so desperate. I'm so desperate.
Why, Perry? You're making it weird.
I don't mean to make it weird. Okay, well you say it making it weird. It's just weird, like as if I'm like into farts or like I want to smell your fart, but I don't want to do either of those things. It's just that I think it would be really funny for my boss to be on his stream on the company account and he does a fart.
Do any of the talents regularly make fart sounds?
Let me name this Polly Fart, and so I came up with our call and response.
That's not our name.
No, I've rejected that already.
You can do it with us. Do it with
No.
us.
No,
Come
you
on,
no you
Tucker.
can't.
Come on, me and you. When I say, you say.
I've rejected this officially already, so I'm not doing that.
Please.
Our name is Axia.
Please fart. Please.
Huh? You know, that Superman image that you see on the internet? This is how I imagine Perry. You know what? Does Chad know what Superman image I'm talking about?
Just think about it. I have a tear in my eye. I have a tear in my eye.
That's literally Perry. Okay, so Perry, if I make a fart sound, we can move on from this.
Yes!
There we go. And we'll move on. If Perry dies, it's not my fault, it's Kazuten's.
I can't come back.
Alright, so now we can move on.
Huh? I disconnected myself from my brain. Are we moving to the next one?
Yeah, do you want to read the next one, Toka?
Yeah, so this one is from Not Nanako. So it's not from Nana. And it says, can you give Nanako a raise and make